Hi guys, it's Blackie and welcome back to the channel. Okay, I'm going to re-show something. A tip or trick with this M-65 field jacket. This is, as I've said, one of the most versatile pieces of gear I've ever owned. And it's fantastic, especially for a winter jacket. Sorry for the wind. But one of the things about it is it has such versatility in the field. But most importantly, in the wintertime, it converts to a pillow. You heard me right. I'll show you how to convert this to a pillow. This has multiple functions. So let me shift the camera down and we're going to convert this jacket over to a pillow, and then we'll talk about why we'd want to do this. Okay, first off, we're going to unzip and pull out the hood. Okay. Now we're going to take the jacket and I'm going to snap it on the front. Then you want to take and snap down the front. Take anything out of your pockets that's going to be a knot under your head when you're trying to sleep. Make sure it's all snapped all the way down. Then what you want to do, lay it out like this. Take one sleeve, straightened out, lay it down the center. Take the other sleeve, straighten it out, lay it down the side. You want to fold this over, fold that over like this. Now you want to take about one hand width and fold, just like that. Get up here, you're going to take the hood, and you're going to put the hood completely over it, just like this. Now this will allow it to hold it in a pillow configuration, just like a fairly dense pillow. Okay, what you now have is a nice firm pillow. It's going to make a nice saddle right there for a head to lay on to. And it's going to do two things. One, it's going to insulate your head from a cold ground. You lose a great deal of your body heat through your head. So in wintertime, you should be carrying a toboggan or something to sleep in to insulate the head. Don't be laying there in that big old huge Arctic sleeping bag with your head sticking out and short hair. You're going to be cold because your body's going to pump like crazy trying to keep the brain warm. So always insulate yourself. Two, this makes a good insulation, like I said, off of the ground to keep your head comfortable and to keep it warm. Three, whenever I do that, my head will keep this jacket warm. So in the morning, whenever I get up, my jacket is warm for me to put it back on. See, instead of taking the jacket off and hanging it up over there or laying it over there, and you get up in the morning, you're already cold because you're getting up into the cold environment. Now you got to put on a nice cold jacket. No, my head will help keep this relative warm. And so therefore it's a plus on a cold morning to put warm clothing back on. Likewise, I should be carrying bone dry inner layers like a t-shirt or another set of long underwear to change into when I go to bed so that it will be bone dry against my skin. In the morning when I get up, if I took off a layer, that layer should be underneath me, somewhere in my bedding underneath me, so that my body heat is keeping it warm. So in the morning when I get up to get dressed, it's warm to put warm clothes back on. It's a warm field jacket to put back on. Those little things make a difference. Now, can you do this with the liner in it? It'd be a little bulky. And besides, like I've said before, I would pull the liner out and I would wear the liner to bed because it's nice and slicky. I can slide around inside of my sleeping bag and all with it. But this becomes my pillow. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you have, please hit that like, share, and subscribe, and there'll be more videos coming up soon. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.